Hey, future homeowner, let's talk about one of the least glamorous, most important parts of buying a house, property taxes. I know, it's not as exciting as touring dream kitchens or Pinterest-worthy patios, but trust me, understanding how property taxes work will save you from serious wallet whiplash down the road. So grab your coffee or cocktail, no judgment, and let's break this down. Before we get started, I'm Sarah Brack, a real estate agent here in Boise, Idaho area. I remember the overwhelm of my first home buying experience, so now I aim to empower future homeowners through education and authentic conversations. So what the heck are property taxes anyway? In simple terms, property taxes are how you help keep your community running. They fund things like schools, roads, police and fire departments, parks, libraries, and all that fun adulting infrastructure you never thought about before buying a home. In Idaho, you pay them yearly, and the amount depends on a few key things, which we're about to demystify. Why your neighborhood's tax bill might be way higher than yours. Let's say you and your friend both buy $400,000 homes, and she's paying $1,000 more a year in property taxes. What gives? One major thing is about location. Different areas have different taxing districts, kind of like mini governments for schools, fire services, sewer, libraries, you name it. Each district charges a little bit, and that all adds up to your levy rate. So that gorgeous neighborhood with the new elementary school and community pool, yep, you're paying for it. Moral of the story, your zip code affects your tax bill just as much as your square footage. How your home's value is calculated for taxes. Every year, the county assessor estimates your home's market value. This is what they think your home would sell for today, not necessarily what you paid. So if the market's hot, your home value goes up, and so do your taxes. Cool. The homeowner's exemption, Idaho's tax loophole. That's totally legal. Here's the good news. If this is your primary residence, Idaho gives you a nice little tax break called the homeowner's exemption. Basically, you get to knock off 50% of your home value or $125,000, whichever is less, before they calculate your tax bill. Let's do the math. Home price, $400,000 minus exemption, $125,000. Taxable value equals $275,000. That's real money saved every single year. But, and this is important, you have to apply for it. It's not automatic. Now, you're gonna be reminded of this, by the way, by title, at closing, and by your agent. And please do it. I'm totally not speaking from experience when you miss that deadline. Make sure you file with your county's assessor's office by April 15th, the year after you buy. Because nothing says home ownership like filling out government paperwork by tax day. How do you actually pay property taxes? There are two ways. One, through your mortgage. This is the most common. Your lender estimates your yearly taxes and wraps them into your monthly payment. They pay the county for you when it's due. Easy peasy. Second option is out of pocket. If you paid cash or opted out of escrow, you'll get a bill directly from the county, usually split into two payments, half in December, half in June. One way feels like a slow drip, the other feels like writing a big check and crying into your ramen. Choose your adventure. Will property taxes go up? In a word, yes. Even if you have a fixed-rate mortgage, your monthly payment can still go up because taxes and insurance are recalculated every year. If home values rise or voters approve new levies, like for schools, fire stations, or bond measures, taxes go up too. Think of it like a subscription that keeps getting more expensive, but you can't cancel because you live in it. Where to learn more about your property taxes? Want to nerd out? Or double-check what you'll owe? Here's where to start. Your county assessor's office. This is your go-to for checking your property's assessed value, downloading the homeowner's exemption form, looking at past and projected tax bills. Just Google your county name, Idaho Assessor Office. For example, Ada County, Idaho Assessor. Idaho Sales Tax Commission. They break down exemptions, tax relief programs, and general info in plain English. Visit tax.idaho.gov. GIS or parcel viewer tools. Most counties offer interactive maps where you can look up tax rates by address, see property lines and assess values, compare with neighboring homes. If that sounds overwhelming, don't worry, you don't have to go it alone. I can help walk you through the process. Okay, so here's a recap. Property taxes fund your community. They vary by area based on local taxing districts. Your bill is based on your home's assessed market value. The homeowner's exemption can save you big, but you have to apply. Most people pay through their mortgage escrow. And yes, taxes can, and likely will, go up over time. Okay, so Property taxes might not be that sexy, but they're a huge part of the real cost of owning a home. Understanding how they work can help you budget smarter, maximize savings, and avoid surprises. So if you're planning a move and want to know what your taxes could look like or how to lower them, just drop a comment or shoot me a message. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more real estate tips that won't bore you to death. I'll be here with the info you actually wish someone explained. So until next time, happy house hunting, and may your tax bill be ever in your favor.